Hi, we're Ed and Michelle. We're travel ambassadors of Fantasy RV Tours, and today we'd like to talk to you about our Maritimes tours that Fantasy RV offers.
So, one of the reasons why we like to talk about the maritime tours is because there's so many fun things to see along the way besides the beautiful scenery and all of the animals and that. Um, some of the highlights for me has been driving across the ocean floor, going over to Minister's Island. Um, Other things that I've enjoyed is being on the Viking Trail and actually seeing the archaeological dig from where they discovered the Viking village and going to where they recreated it based on the dig. Not to mention, they've got some beautiful jewelry that you can only get up in Newfoundland. And the people there are just fabulous. They are so welcoming and friendly. It's just an amazing place to visit.
Yeah, the Maritimes are great. So, if you're not familiar, the Maritimes are comprised of Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland. On the beginning of our tours, we're going to be around the Bay of Fundy. The Bay of Fundy has the highest tidal changes in the world. You can see changes anywhere from 50 to 100 feet. Our guests love to go out there and explore. As Michelle stated, we get to drive across the ocean floor. So we take our personal vehicles, not your RV. We take our toads, we drive across the ocean floor out to this fantastic little area called Minister's Island. But there are so many highlights, and we only have a few minutes on this video. It's impossible to talk about them all. And I think you hit some of the best ones. Uh, I will mention Prince Edward Island, though. So if you were like me and didn't know much about Prince Edward Island is the home of
Author of Anne of Green Gables.
thank you, the Anne of Green Gables story. And you know what? Our campground is right there. You can see all the places she wrote about right from your campground. Do you have anything else you'd like to add about the Maritimes? Your last highlight.
Seafood. If you are a seafood lover, some of the best seafood comes out of there. We have a welcome lobster dinner. Um, it's known for its mussels and, of course, Digby scallops. Oh my goodness. Melts like butter in your mouth. So good.
That was a great one to end with. If you would like to learn more about the Fantasy RV Tour Maritimes trips, please click the link below and check out all the different itineraries that we have to this beautiful part of the world.